Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate the National Sickle Cell Anemia Eradication Mission 2014 in Lalpur village of Madhya Pradesh today. The centre has announced the Tomato Grand Challenge Hackathon aimed at addressing the availability and affordability of tomatoes for consumers and ensuring fair value for tomato farmers. Today is National Doctors' Day. The day is celebrated across the country in memory of Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, physician and the second Chief Minister of West Bengal. Minister of State for Culture Meenakshi Lekhi has inaugurated the exhibition Banking on World Heritage, showcasing banknotes of the G20 member nations featuring UNESCO-listed World Heritage sites. Star Indian javelin thrower Neeraj Chopra has clinched the Lausanne Diamond League 2023 title with the best throw of 87.66 meters.